Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the CoinMarketCap application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the CoinMarketCap application to open it up. And if you haven't logged into your account already, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then use your Google, your Apple account, or your email address and your password to log into your account. If you wish to change your username, then tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now, from this page, you can simply tap on your profile, which will take you into your profile page. Now, from this page, you will find the edit button. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to edit your profile. Now, from your profile page, you can change your display name as well as your username. Tap on whichever name you would like to change, and then you will be able to edit your username or your display name. Go ahead and type in the username that you want to set and then tap on change username, and now your username will immediately be changed. You can come back to this menu once every 7 days to change your username into whatever you want. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on the CoinMarketCap application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.